Marhaba, this is Sama from Kalila, where you learn Arabic the right way through our website and application. To know more about Kalila, visit our website, kalila.com. Now moving on to our topic of the day, where we will continue to talk about the Arabic alphabet and learn a new letter, which is the letter Ra. The letter Ra is closely equivalent to the letter R in English, but with more emphasis. The letter R in English is way softer. Rolling your tongue is the key in order to pronounce the Arabic Ra, and it only functions as a consonant letter. The letter Ra has several shapes. Its shape changes depending on where it appears in a word, whether it comes at the beginning of the word, initial, middle of the word, medial, or ending of the word, final. Let's start with the standing alone shape of the letter Ra. Here you can see how the Ra is written. It looks like a crescent moon. Before getting to know more shapes of the letter Ra, please note that there are some Arabic letters that can only be connected from the right side, as shown in the first group, and the rest from both sides, as in the second group. And since we're talking about the letter Ra, it falls in the first group, which are letters that can only be connected from the right side and never from the left side. Watch the video till the end to know why is Ra connected in some cases and disconnected in others. Now let's look at its shapes depending on its position in the word. First of all, we start when it comes at the beginning of a word. Initial, as in Ra's, which means head. The Ra here looks like a crescent moon. Moving on to the second shape of the letter Ra, which is medial, when it comes in the middle of a word. Here we have two cases. The first case is when it's connected to the previous letters in the word, as in farawila, which means strawberry. Here it's connected from the right side and looks like a crescent moon. The second case is when it's disconnected, as in madrasa, which means school. The Ra here looks like a crescent moon. The last position of the letter Ra is final, when it comes at the end of a word. Here we have two cases. The first case, at the end while being connected to the previous letters in the word, as in qamar, which means moon. The Ra here also looks like a crescent moon. The second case, at the end while being disconnected, as in jazar, which means carrots. Again, when the letter Ra is preceded by a letter from the first group, then it comes disconnected and looks like a crescent moon. After knowing all the shapes of the letter Ra, why is it connected in some cases and disconnected in others? We conclude that the letter Ra can be connected from the right when it is preceded by letters from the second group, as in farawila. Fa falls in the second group and comes disconnected when it is preceded by letters from the first group, as in madrasa. To wrap it up, let's highlight the main points discussed in this video. The shape of the letter Ra changes depending on its position in a word. Now we're going to display a table that summarizes the cases of the letter Ra, whether it's connected or disconnected. In the initial case, it only comes disconnected, as in Ra's. When in medial case, connected from the right, as in farawila, and disconnected from the right, as in madrasa. The final case, connected as in qamar and disconnected as in jazar. The Ra can be connected from the right side only, as in qamar, farawila, unless it is preceded by letters from the first group. For that, the Ra comes disconnected from both sides, as in madrasa. That was it for the letter Ra. Always make sure to differentiate between the shapes of the letter Ra. We hope this video is helpful. To know more, you can subscribe to Kalila through our website and application and enjoy the 7-day free trial. Salam!